How to put a black background on Instagram story. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to put a black background on Instagram story. So first thing, just head over to your Instagram application and make sure you are logged into your account and just click on story from over here. So once you're inside your create settings, just tap on this create button over here and it will automatically create a text option for you where you can see there are different options for colors as well at the bottom right corner of your section. So just tap on it, and so the idea here is to just click tapping on it like on the color until it changes to black. So something like this, as you can see here. So you can see it has our background has been turned into black. Now you can just click on this stickers icon and just click on photo to add your just like this. So that is exactly how you can easily change or put a black background on Instagram story. So you can also change it later on by simply tapping on this color option at the top, as you can see. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.